product specialist for AGCO application equipment. We're going to do some of the daily checks you need for your new leader edge box. So we'll start out in the front left-hand corner of the box. We have our reservoir for our chain oiler. So you want to make sure that you have a good amount in there. So we're going to check this at the beginning of the day, and then at the end of the day when you're done running is when you're going to run the chain oiler to lubricate the chains. Moving behind that, we have our hydraulic oil reservoir. So you want to check that to make sure your level is between your add and your full marks there. And just make sure there's no buildup of mud or dirt or anything on top of the oil reservoir. Below that, you have your hydraulic oil radiator. So you want to make sure that that is clear. And then make sure that the fan on the other side is clean as well. And then right behind that area, you have your gate valves. You want to make sure that they're still wired into the open position. At the rear of the machine, we want to take off the guards so we can inspect the product distribution. So on this waterfall divider, we want to make sure that there's no product buildup anywhere along those fins. And then even checking down into the hillside divider to make sure that there's no buildup there. We'll follow down and we'll check the spinner discs themselves, make sure that they're not warped, and then check for any buildup or wear on the blades. And then you want to be checking the breather on the gearbox for the belt drive. So we want to make sure that that is clear, and so we don't build up too much pressure inside the gear case. The grease zerks are part of the weekly scheduled maintenance, so we want to make sure that we're getting those on a timely manner. And then also, while you're back here, check the window for your belt. Make sure that it's running between the bottom and the top of that window. If it's not, refer to the operator's manual on how to make adjustments.